Oh my gosh. Okay, so it is still the same night that I did my last upload on. I'm busy trying to flip the camera around here. I'm busy trying to repaint all the walls in the headquarters, get this place all revamped. Plus, we got a new building, new house that we're gonna be using too, which is pretty dope. Super excited, but just, oh my gosh, it's like 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning right now, and we're about to, or I'm about to go get some nitro coffee because I need to keep going, and there's so much painting to do. It's taking me so long, but you know, we're getting there. It's gonna look great once it's done. And then, ooh, I gotta show you these. I got some new Ford hubcaps from like the 50s on my wall. Sick. But yep, that's why we need to get this place revamped. Plus, I got another buddy coming in, and he's gonna be joining the videos and everything. He's gonna be joining the vlog, and he's really cool. He's got he's a Nissan guy, so he'll be bringing like a modified 350 to the vlog. That's the plan anyway. And the place is a mess right now, so we need to get it all remodeled. It'll be pretty dope though. So this house back here is gonna be like the man cave, like hangout spot. And then the front house will be like where the office is and stuff. And then I got my parts room. My parts room is gonna be over there. You see, everything's a mess right now. And then this is actually where the bar is. You see me film a lot of my videos here at the bar. It's like, you know, why not? Let's go get some nitro coffee though. Got the car keys. Alright, it's freaking cold, guys. We're gonna need to give this engine a little time to warm up. Look at that, poor boy is gonna be on C for a minute. See how many rooms I can get done tonight. The plan is to have a full parts room for both the VQs and the Del Sol, and hopefully also the Honda. Yeah, I guess this is the video where I reveal it to you anyway. The CB300, and then oh yeah, I'm gonna get a WRX, and that's the plan. Maybe like a 2002, 2003 like bug eye one. Because those ones are sweet. So, anyway, as soon as the engine warms up, take off, go get some nitro coffee. Alright man, we got the nitro coffee. We are killing the nitro coffee. Alright, so we're back with the coffee. Obviously, we're gonna kill the nitro coffee and keep on painting. I can't wait to get this place up and going and get some more awesome like decorations on the walls and stuff. You guys see my R34 poster? I love this thing, honestly. And then the tin signs. I'm a huge fan of tin signs. So you know what, I'm gonna actually throw a P.O. box. Bad idea. Too many people hate me. Alright, and then I got my old bike helmet hanging up over here too. And I love the layout on this wall, how it's all decorated, but I kind of want the whole house to be like that cool. And this is the other house I got, literally right next to the carports, right next to the front house. This is gonna be dope. Let's come through here. It was completely trash, remodeling it. It's a complete new addition that we're gonna have for the headquarters. I'm getting this ready for my Super Bowl party I'm gonna be throwing. I can't wait. It's gonna be a great time. And then this is gonna be the new extra room, I don't know, slash maybe office or something. We'll see. and super psyched about that. I just finished painting all of that. And then we still have this extra room in here, and then the extra space down here too, and that's the extra bedroom over here. It's gonna be great. This could be like the front area, you know, people come in, hang out in, and the back area will be where really can just kick it. But I gotta grab the paint, left it over here. I don't know why, but I always feel like Bob Ross whenever I clean out paintbrushes. Like the way he smacks it. I can't even kill that. Whatever. Alright. Oh yeah, we got a sound system for the house too. There's 115 right there. And then over here, hooked up to the TV, we got a, and hooked up to the Xbox One, we got the 18-inch sub and then a 12 on top too. So got some pretty good sound in this house too. Oh, what's up guys? It's morning time. Got another cup of coffee here. Got some sleep and going back to work on the headquarters. Get this fresh paint up. After we get the fresh paint up, then we're gonna look into some awesome like car themed furniture, like maybe like engine block coffee tables and stuff. Really deck the place out nicely. Have it be a place where car guys can really just come to hang out. We'll have two pop-ups in the front where we can work on cars. Go inside, play Need for Speed, play, you know, video games, Xbox. Watch Fast and Furious movies, and then just come back out and keep working on cars. So another thing about this location is we're really close to a couple of like regular car meets that go on every week, so it's gonna be good. Alright, thanks for watching my build in my headquarters here that we're working on, and I can't wait to show you guys when it's done. Alright, take care.